2, that, and this one. Ready? Oh yeah. Wow. Everything lights up. All right, let's turn it on. It's gonna get really loud. Ready? We're gonna put it into drive. Like that. All right, ready? Ready? All right, so let's reverse this thing actually. Ready? This is awesome. Wow. I've never reversed a Batmobile, man, into a parking. Okay? No engine in the front, it's in the back. It's a supercharged F350 Raptor. You have this little step to get inside the passenger seat. Man, look at the size of these wheels. These things weigh 500 kilos each. And what I like is that the wheels are this big, but then the taillight is that small. It's pretty cool. That's the exhaust, and it spits flames. Let's get inside. Put it in here. Whoa. You got a Formula One steering wheel. You have a million buttons, right? And even though you have a gear stick, it's actually automatic. Batman doesn't know how to drive stick.